Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So it's just the beginning of a new year, and I want to share with you guys my gear that I'm currently using right now to create my YouTube videos. Since it's been a while now since I've made a video of what type of gear I use to make my YouTube videos for the channel. And so, yeah, I'm just gonna share with you guys some of the gear I use to create the content that I create. So first off, let's start with the camera. So I'm still using the Canon 77D. I like the camera just because of the LCD screen could swivel out, so I can see if I'm in focus or just different angles. It's just much more easier to see with that screen that could swivel out. So yeah, it's just a fantastic camera. I am looking to upgrade to a better, well, not better camera because this camera is actually really good, but just upgrade the camera so that videos come out even much more better. But right now, I'm very happy with this one because it's doing the job that I needed to do. So the lens I'm currently using right now is the Canon EF 10 to 18 millimeter lens. So it has that little bit wide angle there, but right now it's at the max I think of close. Let's see. Yeah, it's at the max, but if I go backwards, of course, you can see it can still keep going and keep going, even much more wide as well, so it could capture much more. But I like it like this just because, I'm not that close to the camera, but also you guys are not too far away. So yeah, I'm really happy with this lens as well. So the tripod I'm currently using that I've been using now almost it's going to be a year, but it's still until it hits summer it'll be a year that I've been using this tripod is the Manfrotto Be Free tripod. So I'm very happy with this tripod. I like it just because I can swivel around easily whenever I want to create some behind the scenes footage or some extra footage. I like how smooth it is to create that cool, it's just really smooth to create some nice video as well. So yeah, it's just a fantastic tripod I'm very happy with. I am looking to get another tripod uh, just because this one is limited also on what it could do, and I've been looking at some other video type tripods, but right now this one also a fantastic tripod that's doing a fantastic job of keeping the camera still and being able to hold on to the weight that I added on top of the camera as well. Next, of course, we have a little mount on the little mount shoe there. It's called the Ulanzi. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Ulanzi. So that little shoe mount adds two extra shoe mounts to the camera, which is cool because I can add the mic to one shoe mount, or yeah, to one shoe mount, and then on the other one I can add my light that you can see right now. It's nice and bright. Since many of you have been complaining about how important light is and how I should invest in some light. So I invested in some light. I am looking into buying more lights, but this one is doing the job for now. So the mic I'm currently using right now is the DT or DIT microphone, and I'm very happy with this one because if you guys saw my video a while back when I first got this mic, is that not only does it of course work on the camera here, but also works on other tech products or other tech related stuff if you use it to record other stuff. So like if you use your iPhone to create videos, you can connect this mic to your iPhone and the mic will automatically know that's connected to an iPhone. Or if you connect it to a laptop or something, the mic will already know that's connected to a different type of device, and it will try to set up a setting that's perfect for that device as well. So it's very cool. And the light that I'm currently using is by a company called Great Video Maker, I guess, GVM. It's an LED light. I found it on Amazon. It had 5 stars, so I chose it. I read the reviews and a lot of people liked it. So I went with that one, and I'm very happy with it right now because it's nice and bright, as you can see. You can see me, like the light's doing a good job of keeping me nice and with lights. So yeah, it's a cool LED light that's very bright as well. I'm not used to it. I'm not used to having some light just being on me like the whole time while I'm filming. But yeah, it does make a difference after when I do edit the video after on the computer. I do see the difference from before and after with the light. So yeah, it's a fantastic light, and I am looking to add more light to this area, but right now my room is really small, so I can't add too much stuff to it or else I won't have no room to move around. So yeah, I'm very happy with this one because it's nice and powerful, and I think it's doing a fantastic job as well. And then of course I have another tripod. This one's an overhead tripod style. I also found this one on Amazon. And I've been using it now, like I said, almost a year. At the same time I almost bought this Manfrotto tripod, I bought the other overhead tripod. It was one of the cheapest ones on Amazon. I think it was like $30. And it's really good. Really, it does the job of keeping the camera on still. Sometimes it doesn't keep it on because of the weight's too much on the camera. So I'm on the other side just holding it and not trying to move too much so that the camera could film the object I want to film on the table. So yeah, it's a cool tripod that I'm currently using, and it does the job right now. Right now I'm using it mostly as a cloth to hold some t-shirts because sometimes I need a t-shirt there. So my room is kind of messy sometimes, so it's a perfect way just to keep clothes on the off the floor and on a place to keep the clothes. So yeah. Now let's move on to the computer. So the computer, of course, I'm using now is gonna be 1 year that I've been using a iMac. So yeah, it's very like finally I'm used to it. Like I was used to it after like 3 months of using I was using the iMac, and yeah, it's just really easy now for me to use the iMac. I like it. I like the screen. Of course, I'm a big fan of the screen, and I just like how big the screen is, so I can edit my videos in much more. There's much more space in the timeline as well. Now the only thing is that I don't like about this iMac that I got, of course, it's one of the lowest ones of the iMacs, one of the cheaper ones I got. So of course the power is not there when I'm editing the video. So sometimes it just takes forever just to load a video, to render a video and then export it, of course, to upload it. It just takes forever. So right now it's doing the job as well, this one. But yeah, it's already hitting its limitations whenever I'm starting to export these videos out. So hopefully in the near future, I will want to get a powerful iMac. But yeah, right now those powerful iMacs are it's just way too out of my budget. So yeah, it's a cool little thing there that I just like using the iMac. It's just really cool. I like the big screen, and I'm very happy how slick it is and how nice it looks as well. Now another cool device I'm using, of course, is the iPhone 11 to create my videos. So sometimes I use the iPhone 11 when I'm using this camera to film. And yeah, it's just a cool camera to use. The iPhone camera is one of the best cameras on any smartphone, and I'm very happy with it. So yeah, it's just a fantastic way to film like when you're on the go as well. If I don't bring my camera, I could just take out my iPhone 11 camera and just start filming on the go as well. So yeah, the iPhone camera is an excellent backup camera to use whenever you're creating content for YouTube as well. So that's pretty much it, the gear that I currently use right now full time whenever I make videos on uh, for the channel here. You will be seeing other types of videos as well, some drone type videos. So recently for my Christmas gift and my birthday present that I got myself, since my birthday is on Christmas Day, it was a DJI Mavic Mini. I've always wanted to have a drone, and the DJI Mavic Mini, when DJI showed it off, I really wanted it just because of the weight. Since I live in Canada, the drone laws here in Canada are just so strict now. If you have a drone over 250 grams, you need a license, you need to register it, you need to go through so much stuff just to fly that drone. And you're under so much restrictions. But if it's under 249 grams, which the DJI Mavic is, you're free, much more free to fly that drone a little bit anywhere else. You just of course have to respect the rules as well. So yeah, you will be seeing a little bit of DJI, I mean some drone type videos as well in the future. So stay tuned for that. That's another part of my gear that I currently gonna be using to create more types of YouTube videos. So that's pretty much it for my 2020 gear that I'm currently using right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.